Hi guys, welcome to highschoolmaths.co.uk. We're going to look at indices rule number 5 today. This one's a little bit more complicated than the other ones we've covered so far. We're looking at what happens when you've got a negative power. Now, the basic idea in the box up at the top shows you that when you've got a to the power negative m, to change the power from negative to positive, you have to just move it from the numerator of the fraction down to the bottom line. So remember, this is the same as 1a to the power negative m. So we leave the 1 up at the top, but we move the a to the power m, the negative m down to the bottom, and change the power to a positive. So we'll see how that works in a few examples. There's quite a few different implementations of this, and this is where the rules start to mix together a bit more frequently. Okay, so e to the power negative 5, if we want to have that with a positive power, then we're going to leave the 1 for the 1d up the top and the numerator, bring the d to the negative 5 down to the bottom line, but make it d to the power positive 5. So that's 1 over d to the power 5. Probably a little easier to see with the 3a here rather than just having 1a. So the 3 is a separate term. We're going to keep that here where it starts and where it belongs. And we're going to bring the a to the minus 2 down to the bottom line and make it a to the power 2. Common mistake there is people take the whole thing and move it down to the bottom line and make it 1 over 3a squared. Remember, it is just the a that has the negative power. The 3, completely different. Okay, so similar idea here, but we've actually got the b term, negative power term, on the bottom, the denominator of the fraction. So what we're going to do is move that up to the top. So we end up with 2 and the 5 staying exactly where they were. They're just numbers. There's nothing going on there with the indices work. We're just bringing the b to the minus 3 up to the top line to make it b to the power positive 3. So we end up with 2b cubed over 5. Same idea here. Once we do this move here, though, we're not going to have anything left on the bottom line. We're going to have a 1, but we don't leave it divided by 1. So keep the 5 where it is, bring the y to the minus 1 up to the top. That would just become 5 to the power 5y to the power 1, or 5y. And the final example we're going to look at is one of the examples that mixes the rules. So here we've got our power of a power rule. So we're going to first of all have to do 3 to the power 4. So that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is 81. And then we're multiplying the powers together. So remember, that's indices rule 3. And negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. So we end up with 81t to the power negative 8. Now, what we don't want is a negative power in our final answer. So we're going to leave the 81 where it is and bring the t to the power negative 8 down to the bottom line to make it t to the power positive 8. And that's how we deal with that. So that's your negative indices rules. Now, that can be mixed up with all the different rules that you've seen so far. And it's quite important that you are careful, as always, when dealing with negative numbers. Hopefully you found these examples useful. If you'd like some more worksheets or some more revision tutorials, then please visit www.highschoolmaths.co.uk. And thanks for watching.